If you've ever been confused about what county you actually live in, welcome to the club. The UK map has been muddled for decades by shifting administrative boundaries that people often call counties, even when they're not. The campaign for historic counties exists to restore proper recognition and celebration of Britain's true, traditional counties, because counties aren't just lines on a map. They're identity, heritage, and community. So what are the historic counties? They're the traditional, geographical counties of the United Kingdom, ancient, long-established areas whose boundaries don't constantly change with bureaucracy. Our message is simple: the historic counties are real, unchanging, and still meaningful today. And to cut through the confusion, we have 3 clear objectives. First, proper boundary recognition. We want county boundaries marked on all roads, and included in official ordnance survey mapping. The reason for this is as follows. Because if boundaries are visible, people can actually learn them. It becomes harder for the public to be misled by modern administrative labels, and easier to keep local identity alive. It's not about erasing modern services or councils. It's about making sure the nation's geography is clearly recognized and publicly understood. Second is regarding how the term county is used, particularly in council names and terminology. We believe that county should be removed from local government terminology, because councils and admin areas change, merge, split, and get reorganized, while the historic counties don't. We also believe that public bodies shouldn't use county names unless the area they cover matches that historic county. In other words, if an organization's footprint doesn't align with the real historic county, it shouldn't label itself with that county name, because that's exactly how confusion spreads. This is about clarity, keeping historic county names connected to the places they actually represent. Third concerns the lieutenancies. Lieutenancies are ceremonial, Lord Lieutenants, civic tradition, official events, and we want those areas to match the historic counties once again. The logic is straightforward. If lieutenancies represent county identity ceremonially, they should reflect the genuine historic county geography, not modern transitory admin arrangements. So why does this matter? Especially since 1974, the UK's county map has been increasingly muddled by temporary administrative areas being treated like real counties. But our core message is, the historic counties never went away, they've just been ignored by successive governments and the media. The boundaries remain, the names endure, and the heritage is still alive, if we choose to recognize it. Our ultimate aim is to restore pride and awareness, so the next generation grows up knowing where they truly belong, geographically and culturally. So those objectives are to mark historic boundaries. Stop the term county being misused by councils and public bodies. Realign lieutenancies to the historic counties. If you want to support us or know more, check out the campaign for historic counties at realcounties.com. and start using your historic county name proudly. Because counties aren't just history. They're identity. They're community. They're ours.